Is this like is this the we're back intro?
Yeah.
It's been a minute. Yeah, we decided not to do as many vlogs because you guys don't watch them.
Now it should work. I just woke it up. Just putting this old car back together.
Work it free and lube it. Work it free and lube it. Can you put a beat under that?
Oh, I have too much stuff in my hands to do this. Oh. More use than just holding a camera. You'll even put your hood prop up.
What was our last video even?
Yeah, you and Adam were being down. Well, since that last video, you know, we've just really been taking the comment section to heart, you know, and you know, you guys just aren't watching. You're just not watching. You're not sharing it. We ask you to show your parents, and mom and dad aren't even coming in to congratulate us. That could be your mom and dad doing that, but they don't watch the videos.
The worst part about it is, well, it's not really the height. The height's never an issue. Like I fit in that regard, but the width, let me tell you, I am the door panel. This one also came with like lowered suspension of some kind and larger wheels. So when I drove it, and I get that wheel action again. It was rubbing a little bit on the liner, just a little bit. But yeah, it's really good otherwise. Really, really good. Maybe if you're not a man of my stature. This is the RSZ, not the RSR. So it's only front wheel drive. But in my opinion, I think that's kind of more desirable because you don't have much torque anyway, so why would you want all that extra weight? 3 cylinders, 660cc turbo. It has to warm up. We won't be able to get the dose going until it's nice and warm.
Quick, shovel some more coal in.
Tell that thing's got raw power.
This is Dawson's M3, doing an alignment today. Slammed, wheels, 6-speed. Sick. I want Cinnamon Toast Crunch right now, and then after Cinnamon Toast Crunch, I want Lucky Charms.
Holy fuck!
I don't know why I'm just craving cereal like so fucking bad.
Yeah.
Like I haven't had sugary cereal in like months. Almost probably a year now. I haven't even like bought sugary cereal, like shitty cereal.
It was on sale the other day. It was like $2 for $6.
Yeah, I know. and like I never end up buying it. I don't know why. It's dumb because I fucking love Fruit Loops and Lucky Charms and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I just like I'm craving Cinnamon Toast Crunch right now.
The guy from DK Motors came by and was checking out the Sportage. Yeah, this is the outro. Buy winter tires. We sell winter tires. You can get some winter tires from us. We'll mount and balance them for you. Bring us your winter tires you got elsewhere if you want. We'll mount and balance those too. We do tires. But yeah, seriously though, please like, share, and subscribe. Do all the things that everyone always, YouTubers ask people to do to help channels grow. I don't know if anybody's doing any of that, or at least prospectively it doesn't seem that that's the case. But you know, here's another attempt at trying to get you guys to like and share and subscribe and comment below and like below and watch this video and this one and subscribe here and
We can do that.
Tell us what you want to see.
yeah, tell us what you want to see in the comments. Yeah, good one, Dad. Right
Yeah.
on, Dad's getting it. He's becoming internet slowly but surely. We'll get Dad there.
I put a hashtag for the first time ever the other day. I hashtagged. That's a thing.
Can I get everybody to comment and congratulate Dad for
Yeah.
doing a hashtag?
And I have the Instagram apparently.
Yeah, he got Instagram and didn't know he got it.
Yeah, I
just got a notification
I clicked on
that-
a thing and it said like accept, and I said okay, and then I had an account.
I told him he had
Then
Instagram.
then I hit cancel and it didn't cancel.
No, once you get that shit, they don't let you get rid of it. No. You're in the system now, buddy. And you're gonna be talking about Dairy Queen. You're gonna get Dairy Queen ads and all that shit. Dirt bikes and dirt bike ads. Dirt bikes and Dairy Queen. Dirt bikes and Dairy Queen. Dad's Instagram feed.